Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we are going to learn how to cook fish fry. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ingredients: take 4 flat fishes, remove the heads and clean it well. Apply turmeric powder and salt for marination. Keep this marination in fridge for 1 hour. Marinated fish, 1 egg white, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, salt, turmeric powder, oil. Take 6 soaked red chilies, 10 black pepper, 12 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Grind these to a fine paste. Mix the grinded paste with all the ingredients. Apply this paste thoroughly to marinated fish. Heat the nonstick pan and add some oil for shallow fry. Start frying the fish on low flame. Turn the fish carefully. Fry the fish from all the sides at least 10 to 12 minutes. Turn the fish carefully and cook it for some more time. Dish out all the fish when it turns light brown color. Our crispy and tasty fish fry is ready. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.